horrible is to be driving along and suddenly your vehicle stops? Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. This scenario could very well be possible due to a bad alternator. Your alternator's purpose is to charge your battery while you're driving. The alternator powers the electrical system and the battery. It's not designed to recharge a low or dead battery. With computers operating vehicles, alternators usually run at or near its maximum output capacity. A fun fact, today's alternators have a higher amp output than typically they did in the 70s. A fully loaded car can use 55 to 60 amp alternator, and typically today's alternators have a maximum output of upwards to 180. A low or bad battery can put a strain on that alternator. Understand how your vehicle operates will better help you understand your repairs. And thank you for watching, and like us on Facebook. And in the comment section below, tell us of an incident where your vehicle stopped running and you needed your alternator replaced. Next time you're in, mention Kneble with a K and get 10% off of your labor.